Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. For the month of December, I am giving away the Beauty Bakeries Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. I'll put a link in the description box down below. It'll take you to the video, talks about how to enter that one. I've got many other giveaways to you guys. I'm giving away the Tati Beauty Palette holiday giveaway. I've got all sorts of stuff good giving away, and we are having a entire contents one. Lip Monthly ships out every month. It's usually 4 to 5 full-size beauty products for $12.95. They have started including other products that are not necessarily lip products, which I do like because I was getting overloaded with lip products. So that's one of the reasons why I think I'm going to take a break from a little bit from Lip Monthly. And so this will be my last Lip Monthly bag for a little while anyway. But I decided what better way to go out with a bang and go out with a bang of the year than to give the entire contents away to one of you guys. Number one rule for all of my giveaways is you must be a subscriber, you guys, and I do check. I mean it, I do check. So we'll get into more of the giveaway rules, and they're really easy in a little bit, but let's find out what's in here. There's this cute little bag. Looks like it has little ice creams on it. It says Lip Monthly here. There's a card that says December 2019 and Walking in a Winter Wonderland, one of my favorite songs. Welcome to the December 2019 bag. As we shift into Christmas season, the little elves at Lip Monthly have been busy curating an amazing December bag. This month, we've included an amazing lineup of products from some of our favorites. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is by EVIO Beauty. I've never heard of them before. This is a creamy lip SPO liner. I don't know what the SPO stands for. It does retail for $10.29. It's creamy, long-lasting, rich color to the line or feel your lips. The velvety formula glides effortlessly along your lips for a perfectly defined pout. This natural nude shade is flattering to all skin tones. Use alone for a matte lip or layer with your favorite EVIO Lip SPO gloss for a dewy finish. They are 100% natural formula, which is ethical, environmental, PEFC, ICEA certified and made with sustainably managed, controlled sources. It is cruelty-free, vegan-free, gluten-free, toxin-free, paraben-free, ethically and consciously produced, made in Italy. Here is the color. It is a wooden pencil. So this would be great for one of you guys to start off. It does look like we have one eye product and 2 more lip products. So here we have the Sorme All Day Smooch Proof Lip Stain. It's a precise, long-wearing smooch proof. It is in the shade Fatale. That's a really bright pink. It does retail for $17. And it's a smooch-proof lip stain, creates a spectacular matte finish lip with no product transfer. Long-wearing vegetable dye-based stains with natural botanicals and vitamins hydrate and moisturize the lips. Precision slant marker pen applicator allows for easy, mess-free application. I've never done with like a marker pen. Long-lasting, no transfer, made in the USA, matte finish, marker style applicator pen. That's the color. It's super, super pink. But it doesn't even look close to that. I'm not going to swatch it. But there's what the tip of it looks like. Completely different from that. But I do think that this color, how it looks here, would go really good with this lip liner. So I can't wait for you guys to try all this stuff. By by Hikari Cosmetics is their lipstick in the shade Cabernet. It's regularly $15. It is on sale right now anyways, filming this for $5. It's a long-lasting, vivid lip color. It defines your lips. Our flawless formula increases wearability and stays on for hours on end. Hikari is cruelty-free. Here's what the packaging looks like. That's a really, really pretty color, especially for these winter months. Super pretty. You guys will love this. By Cargo Cosmetics is their Swimmables Longwear eyeshadow stick. This one is in the shade Morro Bay. Does retail for $20. And it's an ultra light, crease proof, water resistant cream eyeshadow. I love the crease proof ones. I have really deep set eyes, and so I can get creases very, very easily. It's a high coverage formula that glides on. Once applied, the formula has a 20-second playtime to be blended on before it sets. Color stays true and lasts as long as you do. It only comes off when you decide to take it off. Oh, it looks, so here's the packaging. Looks like it's this really pretty brown. You guys are gonna love that. So one winner will receive the lip pencil, the lip stain, the lipstick, and the eyeshadow stick. So here's what you have to do to enter. Really super easy. First, let me say that YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. I'm giving all the products to you. I paid for them with myself through the Slip Monthly subscription. Number one rule is that you must be a subscriber. You guys, I do check. I can't tell you countless times. I use a random number picker that I picked the winner, and I do check and they weren't subscribed, so then I go on to the next person. So make sure that you are subscribed. Give this video a like, watch it all the way through. If you want to leave a comment, that would be wonderful. How I actually go about picking the winners, I use Google Forms. I will put a link for that in the description box down below. You go to the link and just put in your information in there. It is secure, you guys. Because you are putting your address in, I am the only one that has access to that. As soon as the giveaway is over, I go and delete the form. It's just easier for you, so you're not having to rely on YouTube notifying you that I responded to your comment saying, hey, you won. You know, you have 48 hours to get back to me. This way, I've already got your address and I can ship it right on out to you. I will send an email or an Instagram or however, notifying you that, yes, you won, your products are on your way. So this giveaway will end January 20th. And then it'll end January 20th at midnight, and then on the 21st, I'll go in and I'll pick my winner. You must be 18 years or older in order to enter it. 2 bonus entries for you guys is if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is beautyamab, A-M-A, and the letter B. The other bonus entry that you can get is if you share this video. So I hope that you guys like this. I hope that you guys like this Lip Monthly series. You know, I will probably pick it back up again. I just needed to take a break from it for a little bit. I'm trying to scale down just a little bit, you know, get my finances kind of under control. And then, and not to have so many huge lip products. I'm not one who's going to have a ton of makeup. That's just not who I am. So I'd rather give back to you guys. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. Just hit that subscribe button twice and that'll turn on your notifications for you. As always, you guys have a beautiful day and I will see you soon. Bye.